Hello everyone, let's learn how to create cool double exposure in Photoshop. Use images link can be found in the provided description. First we will duplicate the layer. Then let's drag the second picture to the main document. After that, adjust it. Now change the blending mode to screen. Well, here I can see some problems. Let's fix it. Simply add the layer mask which helps us control everything. Select the brush tool and remember that foreground color must be black. Let's adjust the size of the brush. Now start erasing these extra areas. Take your time and do it perfectly. Finally, we are ready with that. If you want to download the Photoshop beta completely for free, click on the right side tutorial and watch it. Thank you.